Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on VIVO X300. Alright, we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, scroll down all the way until you find System Management. Now, click on Backup and Restore, and click on Backup Data. Now, we have the backup details. Let's make sure that photos and videos and also other device data are turned on. If they are not, simply tap on them. In here we have the backup, make sure it's enabled. And same thing with other device data, make sure that they are enabled. Okay, down below, under this sentence, we can see our Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here, right now on the screen. On your device, of course. Okay, also make sure that you have some free storage space. If you don't have enough, you can click on Clean Up Space and delete something. And now all you need to do is to hit this green button, Backup Now. Now I also need to confirm by drawing my screen lock. Okay, and now you can see that in here a small circle appeared, and as you take a look, it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We'll also see our information on the other device data that everything went successfully. So I'll see you in a second. Alright, in my case the backup has been created. And just like I was saying before, under other device data, we can see that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago, so that's a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.